Hello guys, it's Scott from C2 Renewable Solutions. Just like many businesses up and down the UK right now, we are currently working from home and we are not installing any of our renewable systems in domestic or commercial properties as per the advice of the government, i.e. stay at home, protect the NHS, save lives. But we are still open and we want to help. The only way we know to help right now is to offer advice. If a lot of people are going to be in at the moment, a lot of people are going to be adhering to what we're being asked to do and stay at home. But by being at home, we're going to use more energy. We're going to be using more appliances. Computers are going to be on. TV is going to be on a lot more. A lot more cooking will be done. Washing machines going to be going a lot more. We're going to be using a lot more electricity, a lot more energy. And if this is a great time to potentially consider solar or a renewable heating installation for your property in the future. And we can help by offering advice and understanding what your current energy consumption is and potentially how a renewable system could impact that to reduce your bills. So we are open from Monday to Friday, 9 till 4. We'll be happy to discuss any individual case in terms of what you're currently using, how a system could help. If you've got any questions on solar or air source heat pumps or battery storage, or you're potentially thinking about electric car, what impact that's going to make on your energy consumption and how you could install a renewable source to combat that. We're open Monday to Friday, 9 till 4. I'll be happy to talk. Number is 02381 112296, or my personal email is scott@c2renewablesolutions.co.uk. Okay, look forward to speaking to you.